Hi students, good morning to all. I am LB Raju, working as functional English and life skills trainer. In this section, I am going to teach you looking after yourself. What is looking after yourself? It also means looking after your physical, mental, and emotional well being. Knowing when thinking or getting out of balance and what to do about it, being able to keep up with responsibilities, which also looking after yourself. If you are juggling lots of things like schools, chores, sports, and friends, it's easy to forget looking after yourself. Keeping things in balance and learning to manage stress. Have a probably heard people talk about having a healthy lifestyle. It's involve more than just eating healthy and exercising. Looking after your physical, mental, and emotional well being, knowing when things are getting out of balance and what about it. Being able to keep up with responsibility while also looking after yourself. When things get out of balance and you feel stressed out, it can start to affect your healthy in negative ways. The first major point is get plenty of sleep. It's easy to give up sleep when you need to study, but sleep is really important for staying healthy. It's the only of the day where your body and mind get a chance to rest and recharge. Sleep actually helps with learning and memory. Some tips for getting a good night's sleep. Get at least 8 hours of sleep each night. Have a bedtime routine. Try not to nap during the day. It is very important in our daily life. Turn up device before bed. TV, mobile phones and laptops. Limit sugar before bed. Soft drinks, chocolates. Close the blinds or curtains and keep your room dark. Second one is eat a well balanced diet. What you eat can help you feel healthier, stronger and ready to take on any stresses that comes your way. It's important to develop healthy eating habits, as not eating well can put yourself at risk of. There are some good points. First, unhealthy changes in your weight. Second, mood swing. Third, reduced mental health. Fourth, physical illness. If you are trying to eat healthily, a few simple tips are: first, drink plenty of water. Second, limit junk food. Third, eat more vegetable, fruit, and protein. Fourth, eat regularly meals. Fifth one, didn't skip meals. Sixth, avoid eating when bored. Seventh, pay attention to how much you eat. Eating a balanced diet provides you with the right type of fuel for your body. Third one is get your body moving. Exercising regularly is part of having a healthy lifestyle. Physically activity can help you to build a strong body and mind. Dear my dear students, feel good every day. Everyone reduce stress, manage moods, sleep better every day, gain more energy. The fourth one is express yourself. Having an outlet to express your thoughts and feelings without worrying about being judged is really important. Being a healthy person means expressing your feelings and thoughts about what's happening for you instead of bottling it off. Talking to people you trust can help you to feel more balanced and able to cope with your problems. Create your own support team who you can rely on and talk to when you feel stressed out. You might also find an outlet through drawing, writing, dancing, or sports, something that else. Take a break when you feel yourself getting stressed. Having balance in your life means taking time out to have fun, do things you enjoy, and Do what makes you feel good. It may not seem as important as the other tasks, but it's most for your mental and emotional well being. Give yourself permission each day to do something fun that makes you smile. Do stuff that you enjoy and takes your mind off things. Relax and unwind. Spend time with supportive friends and family. The fifth one is care for yourself. Live healthy, eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and avoid drugs and alcohol. Practice good hygiene. See friends to build your sense of belonging. Try to do something you enjoy every day. Sixth one, dedication. Dedication comes to especially our hard work. Hard work is nothing but continuously until sweat comes. Working is a not hard work. So before you going to get that hard work, must love that work. Fifth one is patience. Patience depends upon our character and behavior. Positive mentality reduces our strains, stresses, and tension levels. So, patience is when you are supposed to be mad, but you choose to understand. So, if you have determination like that, I am here to achieve something, I am here to do something, I am here to just something. First, faith yourself, trust yourself, and believe yourself, or keep smile always. Here 10 ways to take care of yourself every day. First, exercise your body from a happy mind. A little exercise will go a long way to reducing stress. Second, quick morning meditation. Quick 5 or 10 minutes meditation each morning will help balance your mind for the busy day ahead. 3. Keep a journal. Writing is therapeutic activity in just a few minutes. You can write your thoughts, worries, gratitude of whatever else come to mind. Fourth, read a book or magazine. We all need to escape from the pressing confronts of reality once in a while. 5. Call on old friends. Reconnect with someone you haven't had time to talk to in a while. Busy lives get in the way of friendship. Sixth one, schedule time for yourself. When we fill out our calendars for the day, we usually don't schedule in time for ourselves. We remember important conference calls. Seventh one is unplug from technology. People tend to grab their phone first thing when walking up. Then work being checking email leads to replying to email. And before you know it, it's a time to get off and get ready to work. Eighth one is take a free mid meals to eat for lunch. For lunch we didn't spend enough time taking care of our bodies. Let's consider of dining out, which is not always healthy. Ninth one is get enough sleep. When you are busy working, professional life is hectic. We didn't give our bodies as much rest as they need of fully function. Tenth one, make your weekend about you, not work. Many people take their work home with them and never really get a day off. Take time on the weekend to things you enjoy. Spend more time with your family, not with your home office. Take a mini occasion. Why is looking after yourself important? Know your worth. Self care is important to maintain a healthy as it produce positive feelings and boost your confidence and self esteem. It can also lead to all sorts of health problems from anxiety and depression to insomnia and heart disease. Finally, look after yourself. If you do it now, you will be pleased you did as you move on the next phase in your life. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.